most of my analysis starts on a daily chart. Now on NQ we can see that we have changed in the state of delivery lower. We are inversing this daily BC, right? Meaning that we are not offering the internal to external move higher, but if we are disrespecting this BC, most likely we're going back into the range like we do so. And the most immediate draw for me would be previous day low on NQ and also on ES, and maybe something like this low potentially, but on the daily chart I would need like more information like about this daily FVG. I'm not sure if it's gonna support price higher or we're gonna inverse it and gonna go lower to these lows and this low. But the good thing is that I trade New York session, so I can use the Asia and London session to give me more information about the daily candle. And actually that's exactly how I got my draw on liquidity. So we're gonna drop on 4-hour chart, and then we're gonna see what Asia and London did, right? Interesting. Oops. Okay, so when I come into New York session, I see that this 2 a.m. 4-hour candle closed like this, right? So on NQ, you can see the price is closing through all of these up close candles, right? And what do we have? We have these feather swings. We have two um, two lows that are in close proximity. So this is actually the perfect draw. I can see that now because I waited on 4-hour chart. I have like a perfect draw and I know exactly what I'm gonna trade into. So for me to engage the price, I would need some sort of PD array to trade from. And in this case, we have this 4-hour CB on NQ. Where is this? Here. So you can see price is displacing lower, and that's exactly what we want to see if we are going to trade lower, right? So also I'm using the um, daily profiles for me to confirm the daily candle high or low that it has been formed, in fact. So here we can see 18 candle close or Asia session, like we tap into this key level and we are trading away from it, right? Closing below this up close candle. So for me, it means that high of the day has been formed in Asia session. Now we can drop on the 1-hour chart. So basically, I'm thinking that this high, right, 18 candle high, because we came into a key level and we are having reaction from it, right? We changing state and a little bit lower. We are displacing. We have these CBs lower, right? So that tells me that high of the day has been formed. And I'm showing this on ES because we do have a SMT with the ES like this, right? SMT, SMT. So I'm thinking that we have our high, we are displacing lower, and then I'm trading New York session, so we will see what's happening next. I'm starting at 9 a.m. exactly. So basically I'm thinking that we are displacing lower, then we are retracing, and then I'm expecting New York to distribute lower and expand again. This is my thesis, and mechanically I need like some key level to frame my trades. Usually it's 1 hour 30 minutes, but in this case it's 4 hour 4 hour CB. So we are gonna frame the internal to external move. So from internal to this external low, and we also have this on ES. So it becomes super simple idea. And then we for us to engage, we'll drop to lower time frame charts. Actually use 3-minute chart. And how I usually engage in New York session, I am looking at what 8:30 or like 8 a candle did. So if it manipulated, I'm expecting New York to distribute lower, like 930 open. And if it did not manipulate, I'm expecting 930 open to do something like that. So we will see what it's doing. So now I'm not seeing anything, right? We have this equal highs on ES, and I need like some manipulation to occur before I'm gonna engage in price action. So we will see next candle. Okay, so we see like 930 manipulated those highs, right? And we do have SMT with NQ. So it also tells me that NQ is weaker, right? Then we have this 3-minute change in the state lower, same as ES, change in state lower. And now we can see we have these filler swings, all of those. This is a perfect draw, or smooth edges. And basically now I just have to mechanically enter. And I had my limit order here, both on ES and also on NQ, like this. And I just need my 2 hours, so it was like this. But I would prefer to trade in Q, but I never got tagged into. So ES tagged me in, and I just canceled my NQ order. So I was tagged in, and I was like looking for 2 hour only. And after that, just price just melted super quick, super simple and easy trade. So we both NQ and ES took the targets, and they expanded way below. I didn't catch like any of this, but I don't even care about that. I just need my 2R and to do the same thing. So this is the trade, super simple. I'm having the I guess the most important thing is to have clear directional bias on the higher time frame chart, like daily or 4 hour chart. I had that, then I would just confirm that the high of the day has been formed. To do that, like using profiles, is super easy. They help you a lot with that. And then just mechanically, I need to trade like a fractal model, have a peer array to trade from. And because I'm thinking that I'm already aligned, like candle is gonna trade, daily candle is gonna trade down below. So I'm just gonna re position myself in the lower time frame fractal model to participate. So that's pretty much it. Thank you.